Mitravan Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our presentations on fascinating province of southern Indian region Tamil Nadu. That is the physiographic regions. Second part is a Cauvery Valley physiographic region. The valley and delta region of sacred river of Cauvery. This is the part 9 of TamilNadu series. So this is the part we are going to discuss today. There are 11 physiographic geographic regions, and we are talking about the second part. Mitravan Bandhuvam, if you are new to my education channel, I have posted more than 350 presentations on very diverse topics: Indology, human ecology, history, geography, culture, and so on. You can go and explore them further. That is South Asia Maps J. Reddy. For your convenience, I have organized them into round about 30 playlists representing any of interest you have in general. And this is our Tamil Nadu series. The land of Alvars, mighty Chola emperors, Rajers Serfozi Bhonsle of Maratha Thanjavur kingdom, who passed away 1834 or so, and great poet Subramanya Bharati. So I will be in the initial stage making around about 18 presentations. Number 2 is repeated here, and we are talking about 11 geographic physiographic regions. We finished Polar Punya Basin, part 9, that is the current part, Cauvery Valley and Delta, we are talking about now. Thus the Cauvery Valley and Delta. Before we venture into that, this is the broad area, this Tamil Nadu region. This is the urban district of Chennapatnam, Madras, surrounded by Chengalpattu region, surrounded by two Arcot districts, Arakadu regions, and next Baramahal, that is the northern part, north of Cauvery. We have Cauvery Valley and Delta districts, Kongu area districts, southern part, that is south of Vaigai region, that is the Madurai region, and Polygar region, that is the Palankar region or Tirunelveli region. That is the general broad picture you should keep in mind. So physiographic regions of this part. Here, this is the Cauvery river, our landmarks here. The K is Cauvery, C is Kolladam river, the Cauvery and Kolladam river. And this is the Vaigai, the landmarks. This the valley and delta. The valley and delta is the heart of Carnatic region. The entire region is called Carnatic, not Karnataka province. This is the heartland. For practical purpose, when we say Carnatic region, Thanjavur, Carnatic music and Thanjavur, that is the focal point. So this valley and delta is the heartland of Carnatic region. Eastern part is Ganga Sagar, Bengal. In northern part, we discussed Polar Punya Valley Basin, Polar Punya Basin. Southern part is Vaigai Tamraparni river basins. Vaigai Tamraparni here, Punya Polar basins here, and we can also Tamil Nadu hills will touch the northern portion. This is the Kongu Nadu uplands, and this is the Madurai uplands. That are the boundaries of this region. The important rivers flowing in this region is of course Cauvery and various distributaries of Cauvery river. The river has upstream region tributaries, downstream region where it falls into the ocean has distributaries. Cauvery river has many distributaries. That itself is a topic for discussion. Most important one is Kolladam or Kolladam river. That is the one that carries more water downstream. And the rivers, the two regions in this is the Cauvery valley region and delta region. The valley region, see, this is the Cauvery comes from, this is the from Karnataka province and Heggenekal Falls and Metturu Dam from a place called Karur. This is the Karur. It will start forming a bigger delta valley region. It comes into the plains essentially at Karur. So the Karur, Tiruchinapalli, Lalgudi, Musiri and Tirayur, Perambalur and Ariyalur, these are all considered the valley region. And Manapparai here. These are the valley regions. This downstream is the delta region, close to the Ganga Sagar. That is the delta regions is Thanjavur and Pattukottai. I will show you in the actual map. You need not be concerned about the names. Tiruvaruru, Mannargudi, Nagapattinam, Karaikal. The Karaikal is like a exclave of Pondicherry Union Territory within the Thanjavur Delta region. That is an exclave that actually present in the Thanjavur Delta but administratively, politically belongs to the Pondicherry Union Territory. Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Karaikal, Mayuram and Srikasi. One important point here historically you can remember is the famous Battle of Toppur was fought in 1670. Very easy to remember, 1617. The Battle of Toppur was a very big battle between the different fractions of the declining Vijayanagara Empire at that time ruling from Rayavellur region, Chandragiri and Rayavellur regions. The warring factions were Yachamanayaka and Thanjavur Raghunatha Nayaka and Vijayanagara's Ramadeva the emperor. Other side was Gingi Nayaks, Madurai Nayaks and Jaggaraya Sardar of Vijayanagara Empire, one fraction. Even though the dissenting fractions were decisively defeated, but eventually empire declined. That means this battle led the way of rise of prominence of Nayakdams, Gingi Nayaks and Thanjavur Nayaks and Madurai Nayaks. Eventually they were swallowed by Adil Shahis and Qutub Shahis eventually. That is the important, that is the Battle of Toppur or Togur that was fought in this region. So we can go and look at the things. See, this is the TamilNadu. We are looking the physiographic regions, the topographic aspects. As I discussed, whenever you see here, that is the Karaikal. Whenever you see this is the Pondicherry or Puducherry. Pondicherry, Puducherry, when you see, you can think of it is a South Arcot, historic South Arcot district. When you see Karaikal exclave, you can think of it as the historical Thanjavur district. Here you see the Cauvery river comes from here. Here is the Metturu Dam and this is the Novel river. The Cauvery comes. This is the Amaravati river here and it goes here, and this is the distributary Kolladam river or Kolladam river. Further distributaries here, and essentially that region, the valley starts here, the valley, this is the delta. This is the river is called Vellar river here in the northern part near Chidambaram also, that is called North Vellar. South Vellar goes to near Pudukottai or Pudugai region in the outskirts. South Vellar, North Vellar. So this is the essentially the region we are looking at, and these are the Javadi hills. These are the Shivarayans and Chitteris and Kalrayan hills. This is the Pachi hills and Kolli hills. So the valley and delta, the Cauvery region between the Kollimalai and Pachimalai. And this is the Sirimalai, Karandamalai. Madurai city will be somewhere, just exactly will be here. These are the Palani hills. You can look in other different perspective. This gives little more. Yeah, you can see the Madras Channapatnam here, and this is the Pondicherry, this is Tiruvannamalai and Gingi will be here. This is the Karaikal, that means the historic Thanjavur district. So the river comes here. This is the Namakkal region, that means Kolli hills, and these are the Pachi hills. This is the Perambalur region. So Sirimalai, Karandamalai, Madurai will be here. So here, this is the entire region, is the Cauvery valley and delta. This is the, we discussed the previous Palar basin and Ponier basin. South we see the Vaigai rivers comes here, is the Rameshwaram peninsula. This is the Tamraparni regions. And this is the, exactly we are doing the, showing the same thing here. You can see the, this is the Cauvery river, and this is the Noble river coming from Coimbatore. This is the Amaravati river, and near the Kodumudi is the region where the Noble river joins the Cauvery. This is, I think, Tattapalli or somewhere region near downstream, and Tiruchinapalli will be here, and the river continues. This is the major distributary. You can see the actual Cauvery river is this one. This is the distributary, Kolladam. This is the northern Velar region. This is the Namakkal will be somewhere here. So this is the Kolli hills. Namakkal, Kolli. Perambalur will be here, that is Pachi. Very easy to remember. And Sirimalai, that means when you say Madurai, Siri. Madurai, Sirimalai. North of is Karandamalai. So this is the Kadakarai region, Vedaranyam and all these things. And Karaikal will be somewhere here. Yeah, you can, I can show you the same thing with the pictures here. And the same map, just I am showing the different aspects. Tiruchinapalli, Karur, from the where the river descends into the Carnatic region, the entire into the low-lying area, you can see that. And this is the Nagapattinam, and Karaikal will be, this is the Karaikal, you can see. This is the Namakkal will be somewhere here, Namakkal. This is the Kolli region, Kolli hills, and these are the Pachi hills, you can see. And see, this is the Kolladam river, the distributary. You see here Kolladam distributary, and this is the actual Cauvery river. Is, you can see the Cauvery river there, and other distributary is Kudamuruthi river, other distributary. This, I am not a resident of Tamil Nadu. Maybe some names I may not be able to pronounce properly. And this is where is Vatta distributary, Vennar distributary. These are all the distributaries. So I will zoom out so that you can have a broader idea. That's what we are doing. Vettar and Vannar region, Cauvery, Kolladam region, you can see. Actual, the river start bifurcating near Tiruchinapalli. This is the Tiruchinapalli, and I have highlighted. Battle of Thanjavur is fought here. Battle of Thanjavur, I can show you the Battle of Thanjavur. Yeah, this is the Thanjavur, the historic old Anikat. Thanjavur is Toppur. Used to be called Toppur, now it's called Thanjavur. You can see the Battle of Thanjavur, 1617. That is the decline of, permanent decline of Vijayanagara Empire. So you can see Tiruchinapalli here, Tiruchinapalli region, and Tiruchinapalli region. Tiruchinapalli region and Kumbakonam and Mayiladuthurai or Mayuram here. Chidambaram, actually Chidambaram is the outskirts of the delta, and Nagapattinam is south of Karaikal, and Maikasi or Mayuram, Mayiladuthurai is the north, and Vedaranyam is in the south, and Pudukottai or Pudugai region. And actually this is the delta region is the historically, we can say this, the old delta, Kumbakonam, Thanjavur and Mayuram, those area. South is the excuse me, Mannargudi and Tiruvaruru will be the new delta, and this is the salt pan type of regions, Pudukkottai, Vedaranyam and all those areas. There is a town called Vellam, just west of south of Tiruchinapalli, west of Thanjavur. That is the upland region. So the delta region has historically those parts. So that is, you can see little bit the districts also here. So we are talking about the Karur. This is the Karur region, and Kullitala, Tiruchirappalli region. This is the Tiruvaruru, this is the Perambalur and Ariyaluru region. The Kolli hills will be here near Namakkal, Perambalur, Pachimalai hills will be here. Actual Thanjavur historic district. Now it has many districts like Thanjavur, Tiruvaruru, Nagapattinam, there is Mayiladuthurai and so on. And some parts used to be previously in the Pudugai princely state and Peruvarani and all those areas. So that is in a brief about. If you need to know more about, I have put in other series like integration of Thanjavur princely states. You can look in the playlist called Madras Presidency. So just some of these, I don't go into that into further, and you can look at, explore that further. That is about the fascinating the Thanjavur, the TamilNadu series, Cauvery Valley and Delta, part 9. There are 11 regions, among which second region, but the series itself is part 9. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, Mitram and Bandhuvam, and I really appreciate if you take a few minutes to subscribe the channel and post your comments, and also bring the content to the notice of your friends. See you later. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad, Vanakkam.